I'm Stacy Zhu. I'm an alumni of Lang 1 program. Lang 1 is an integrated program from Forestry and LFS and is specially designed for first-year students. And Lang 1 program allows you to have a more broader perspective about the land and food system and forestry in general. You get to meet other people who are as passionate about environment as you are, and you make close bonds with them. And some of the people I'm sitting now in second-year classrooms are from the Lang 1 program. So this friendship really lasts throughout university life. Lang 1 program, there is some classes that are a bit more challenging than the normal program, but you get to, if you like the small classroom experience and if you like to build close bond with your classmates and your professor, then I think Lang 1 program is for you.